Some people don't just create, they inspire everyone around them without even trying. What if your zodiac sign is secretly one of them? Intro. Creativity isn't just about art or music. It's about ideas, vision, and the power to inspire others daily. In astrology, certain zodiac signs naturally radiate creative energy. They don't follow trends, they set them. Today, we're revealing the top 4 most creative zodiac signs and how their imagination motivates people around them every single day. Stay till the end because one sign on this list surprises everyone. Taurus, the creative builder. Taurus creativity is calm, steady, and deeply artistic. Ruled by Venus, Taurus has a natural love for beauty, design, music, luxury, aesthetic balance. They inspire others by turning ideas into reality. While others dream, Taurus builds. People feel safe around Taurus energy. Their patience and consistency remind others that creativity doesn't need chaos, it needs commitment. Taurus inspires daily by showing that slow creativity still wins. Leo, the creative performer. Leo creativity is bold, confident, and impossible to ignore. Ruled by the sun, Leo shines naturally. Whether it's content creation, public speaking, leadership, fashion, entertainment, Leo inspires others simply by being unapologetically themselves. They remind people, if I can express myself freely, so can you. Leo energy pushes others to step out of fear and into confidence. Leo inspires daily by turning self-expression into motivation. Gemini, the creative mind. Gemini creativity lives in the mind and words. Ruled by Mercury, Gemini is gifted with storytelling, writing, communication, humor, and quick ideas. They inspire others through conversation and curiosity. A Gemini can turn a simple thought into a powerful idea that sparks creativity in everyone listening. People leave Gemini conversations feeling smarter, inspired, and energized. Gemini inspires daily by proving ideas are power. Pisces, the creative soul. Pisces is the most creative zodiac sign, hands down. Ruled by Neptune, Pisces' creativity comes from emotion, intuition, and imagination. They don't just create, they feel, dream, and translate emotions into art. Pisces inspires others by reminding them your feelings matter, your dreams matter. Music, poetry, film, art, healing. Pisces energy flows everywhere. Pisces inspires daily by connecting creativity to the soul. Extra special mention, Aquarius, the visionary rebel, inspires through futuristic thinking and originality. Outro. Creativity isn't about being perfect, it's about being authentic. Whether you're a Pisces dreamer, a Gemini thinker, or a Leo shining boldly, your zodiac sign carries creative power. So tell us in the comments, which zodiac sign inspires you the most? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for daily astrology insights that actually make sense. Until next time, stay creative, stay inspired, and trust the stars.